Hey guys, welcome back to our natural channel, and I am Renee. And so last week we did a product review on the Cantu products of the moisturizing activating curl activating cream, and the comments I got was, how do you keep it from getting frizzy? That next day we went somewhere and it was raining and her hair was really frizzy. So the answer is, I really didn't keep it from frizzing up. So we're going to try a new product by Cantu to see how well it does, because we got to leave out today and it is raining cats and dogs. So we're going to see how well their hair hold up.
Hey guys, I'm Yana, and today I'm back with Cantu products part 2. So this one is Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, Mega Hold Styling Stay Glue Gel. Are we actually putting glue on our hair?
No. Okay.
Then why does it say glue?
It's just something, I don't know. I don't think they put glue in it.
Hopefully this will give us a better hold and last when it was raining, because last week my hair was all frizzy. So let's get started. So I'm all done, and I'm gonna turn around and let you see it. So if you wanna see this again, replay it. Now we're gonna wait until it dries, and now we're gonna work on Buddy's hair. Okay, now it's my turn. Brush.
I ain't done nothing, you like?
Now my hair's all dry. Now let you see my sides. Now I'm gonna let my hair dry. So my hair's all dry now, and I'm gonna let you see. So we've been out all day and my hair still doesn't look frizzy. So, thanks for because of the glue.
All what?
All because of the glue on my hair. It's in my hair. Glue is in my hair. You know that? Because it has glue. Well, my hair looks like beating out in the rain all day. Did you see it? How do you like it? Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching and push the subscribe button. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you next week. Bye.